可以去看看的。啊，继续发展。啊，继续发展嘞。还有我们来买笔。
什么样的笔呢？这是彩色中性笔，一共36个颜色。
你觉得他们两个哪个好看？
我觉得这个更好看一点。
早上好，今天的货送过来啦。
The vision of M&G Stationery is to build an international, well-known and loved stationery brand. We are the leading player in Chinese stationery market, leading in business scale, profitability, distribution coverage, research, and product development. The company embraces a broad, award-winning product portfolio. Our testing capabilities are recognized by China National Accreditation Service, in line with international standards. Automated production line and systematic industrial worker training ensure consistent product quality in ultra-large-scale production. We take the consumer as the center and fully introduce the integrated product development mechanism into R&D, supply chain, sales and brand marketing to create hot-selling products. Every year, M&G invests around 100 million RMB into R&D, achieving nearly 800 intellectual property claims. Our products are sourced globally, made in China, and distributed around the world. M&G covers 80,000 retail terminals, covering more than 80% of schools across China. To meet the need of young people who are our target consumers, M&G's new retail store businesses like Zhumu Store and M&G Life Store create a new shopping experience for Generation Z. While in the direct office supplies service business, M&J Kalapu provides cost-effective, one-stop office supplies procurement service. Based on the ever-changing market demand, we launch thousands of new stationery products every year that are both practical, interesting, and are social. Our distribution network covers over 50 overseas countries with partners all over the world. M&G has maintained steady double-digit revenue growth rate in the last decade. To write a sustainable future for business, M&G initiated CSR activities in the early stage of our corporate development and continue exploring in sustainable products, climate change challenge, sustainable supply chain, and empowerment for employees and communities. Till now, over 200,000 people covering 34 poverty counties in 15 provinces have been benefited. In 2021, M&G started its second 5-year plan emphasizing the company values of consumer orientation, sincerity, collaboration, focus, and win-win.
我们的愿景呢是成为世界级崇光，不仅仅是规模和产值上成为世界第一，更希望拓展到全球，品牌影响度和美誉度都是家喻户晓的，都是所有消费者首选的。未来呢，崇光肯定是想为自己、为企业、为国家做出让国人更值得肯定的、骄傲的这样的一些产品 和技术创新出来。
M&G believes that a pen is not only a tool to write with, but also a means to reach for the dream, no matter how impossible it might look at the moment. Right for the future. M&G is always ready to pioneer for the future stationery business.